Echesa is in court, and the court is expected to make a decision as to whether the former CS will be taking a plea this morning over the 40 billion shillings military equipment scandal. And we know that this has elicited a lot of mixed reaction, especially political reactions from different political leaders, with others asking the DP to step aside because his office was where some of the meetings that were held by the former CS with the said business people. And the DP has come out to say, indeed, there was a 23 minutes meeting in his office, but says that he does not know about the dealings that were happening right there. And he has said that he's actually asking the investigative officers to also extend the investigations to other government offices that have been mentioned in this scandal. Remember, Echesa was released on a 2 million shillings cash bill. And Echesa, it is said, is reported to have used the Deputy President William Ruto's Harambee Avenue office to meet with the business people. Are developing a story right there. And it is a story that we're keenly following up on for you. But what you're seeing right now on your screen, the former CS Rashid Echesa in court. The court is expected to make a decision as to whether the former CS will be taking a plea this morning. And just remind you about that tweet, that the Deputy President, had tweeted yesterday, where he said that, he also said that he was also dragging other departments, including the Department of Defense, that is DOD, into the 39 billion shilling scandal, saying the leadership there should also be questioned for the truth to come out. This is because some of the documents that are with investigative officers that were gotten during this investigative period showed the signatures of some cabinet secretaries. That is why the DP is also saying that the investigations should also be extended to other government departmental offices. But just remind you, when it comes to, tendering of equipment for the military, normally it's done by the Ministry of Defense or the Ministry of Interior. So many questions are lingering on how, the former CS would have done this, especially at the office of the DP. But what we can confirm, the DP has actually distanced himself with the dealings that were happening, and that is why he says that investigations should be extended to other government institutions. And as we spoke to investigative editor Hussein Mohammed Ali this morning, he said that investigative officers are also currently at the annex office just to gather more evidence. Let's cross over to the courtroom and listening live.
Yes. It does not lead me to making a decision or require me to make a decision. Surely, what do you want me to do?
No, what I want you to do
go to the front and face the cameras.
This is a court of law. This is a court of law.
Now proceed and make sure.
And we are not in Somalia, where there are no courts. We are in Kenya, Your Honor, where the people of Kenya enacted a constitution which obligates the DPP and the police to follow the law. We are having a situation where, Your Honor, there are valid orders by a court of competent jurisdiction, which were valid up to today at 6. The DPP,
6 p.m.
Yeah, 6 p.m. today. The DPP through the DCI had filed a miscellaneous number 6 of 2020, which is still not spent. They have not withdrawn it.
Miscellaneous number?
Number 6 of 2020. And my learned sister, Jacinta Nyamusi, was there. Your Honor, the orders were that today the DPP can go and they comply with the law and carry out searches. The searches were done on Saturday. Which was an ambush and a bad fate. To add insult to injury, tomorrow they were supposed to appear before your brother for mention for further directions. They have been brought to Mirimani. You know what is the rule of law? It's not just a paper or an expression. It is that court orders must be obeyed. They should first withdraw miscellaneous number 6 of 2020, and they say what is the status of that miscellaneous. They cannot appropriate and appropriate at the same time. So that is, I want to have military precision, because you said we don't want to waste time. We don't mind. It is their constitutional mandate to prosecute. but they have to prosecute within the framework of the rule of law and due process. They cannot abuse the powers donated to them by the Constitution. Your Lordship, that's why Article 157.11 is very clear. If the process is in abuse, and Your Lordship, I will show you, the governor for Kitui Charity Ngilu has written a letter circulating that they should not even be given bond. So we are wondering who is the prosecutor in this case? Is it Orengo, the senator for Siaya? Is it Charity Ngilu, the governor for Kitui? Or is it Atwoli? Is it Atwoli Francis, the secretary general of Kotu? Because they are the people prosecuting this case in the social media. I have the letters here where they are saying they should not be given bond. When did they become prosecutors, magistrates, and judges in this case?
Not
yes.
on from the back, so that you can respond also accurately.
Your Honor, we want a direction, a guidance on that issue, strictly. There is a lot of political interference in this case. People are meant to implicate the deputy president, who is not in the charge sheet.
What I was saying
Yes. And we want them to come out clear. If this is to harass the deputy president, let them state it categorically.
what I'm saying.
Yes.
I said, what did I say?
Yes.
I've not seen those letters.
Okay.
So why can't you
I have them here. Can I give them to you, Your Lordship? They are in soft copy.
I prefer reading affidavits in as far as evidence is concerned.
Okay.
Or hearing evidence on what. For that, I can give you time to go and publish.
No, let them respond. Let them respond and then you make a determination of the
Yes.
procedure.
Otherwise, as I said earlier, let it be something that makes me make a decision. But otherwise, if there is somebody saying, which I have not seen, I have not seen.
It is here. I can
So
give it to
we
you.
just operate under those articles that you've mentioned, and nothing else. Social media aside, it's good media, but I have not seen. Are you through?
I'm done.
Very well.
Yes.
You don't allow me, and I appreciate the concerns raised. However, I wish these concerns raised by my colleague would have been placed in form of an affidavit. Because at the moment, there's nothing I'm responding to, especially issues which have been raised on the back. Your Honor, on the issue of miscellaneous 6 of 2020, I confirm that this is an application presented, which was filed by the prosecution. Your Honor, we cannot be asked to withdraw this application. The orders are still valid. They have not been spent. What we are presenting before this honorable court is a charge sheet. It's not in contravention with the issue which was at JKIA and what is present before you. It's therefore our submission, Your Honor, that you invite the suspects before you to take plea.